these are some video clips from our cane training workshop we did last Saturday, and gotta say it was a lot of fun. The cane for me is one of the most important tools that you can improvise as a force enhancer for self-protection. The cane and the walking stick offer so much for the defense-minded individual. It is an ambulatory and balance aid, but it also can be used as a weapon in a worst case scenario. It gives a lot of range, and if you have a heavy hickory, oak, or other hardwood cane, it can be a very effective impact enhancer. The canes that I carry are made of generally American hickory. I have many canes and walking sticks from Guy Dureau of Cane Fighters International, which our gym is the Canadian headquarters for that organization. Master Guy is not your typical cane guy. The cane fighting he teaches is straightforward, practical, and easy to apply with minimal training. Don't get me wrong, the more training you put in, the better off you'll be. And Master Ziggy has some material that can challenge you for a long time. However, for the most part, what he teaches is fundamentals of weapons fighting. There is very little fluff to this stuff, and this is why I chose to be a part of Cane Fighters International, because it fit in with my mindset about what is effective when it comes to using force to counter violence. So if this is something that would interest you, please support my Patreon, and if you're in the Cranbrook area, come and train with us. All good people are welcome. And remember, master yourself, protect others. Thank you. Have a great day.